Alright, so this is my first video on YouTube for a very long time. So like, don't bear with me. I've posted one on my Instagram. So like, let's analyze together. Let's analyze the foreign exchange market together. So I trade only three currency pair. I trade XAUSD, EURUSD, and GBP JPY. Let's go. So our price action lately has been very, very, very crazy. So forgive me. Price action for the past 2 months, March and April has one of the worst price action of body. But by the grace of God, I was able to end the 2 month break even. So my trader waves is upgrading right now. They are upgrading their feature. So currently opening this right now, just loading. I know insurance. So let's just open my point of view on everything. So on Euro USD initially, let's go to our daily time frame. Our daily time frame first. Let's build up our narrative. Let me say I'm analyzing the charts for the first time. Like I'm breaking down for somebody that has not been traded. I've not traded for it before. So yeah, so let's start now. So we want to ignore everything, ignore everything at this point, like this, from here to here. Ignore everything that is at that point, and let's just focus on. We'll just focus on just this point right here. From here to here, what we're going to focus on this, and focus everything around this point. So let me break it down. So clearly you can see that we're in a bullish trend right here. If you can look now for our time frame, you can see whatever you call it, higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high. So then, which you should also call it a break of structure. So yeah, what do we really get? Like, let me give you a better idea of it. So take when you know that buyers are in control is when the lows are stronger than the high. So any low that was able to take out a high, then you can call this high. You can label this high a weak high, and this is going to be a strong low. So as far as price does not come back to take out this low, this strong low, it means that price is still bullish. So as I see right here, a strong low led to a weak high getting broken. A strong low led to a weak high getting broken. And that's what price did again and again. So before you ask me at this situation, has price changed the character? Personally, I'll tell you no. That is why, because price is seeks liquidity. Price moves in liquidity. So eventually to come to take out like point of liquidities and area that has shit ton of liquidities. So let's move this one. I say price respected this zone, this demand zone 2 times. So initially you can see that when price came, this high was not strong enough to take out this low. So what the price do when it came around this area, respected a form of like bullish momentum right at this area on. So what the price do next? Price respected it, then started going high, was able to take out this high, but eventually price had lost bullish momentum, that is like buy side liquidity. So price eventually came back to come and take out, use this low as the available liquidity. Or in so when price came down, we took it out, and I see price is good to continue with the bullish order flow. So when it came back, if I can go to our 15-minute time frame, that's one thing you also have to understand is that before anything will happen on the higher time frame, also you have to happen on the lower time frame first. So when price came down to the forward demand, you can see it swapped this liquidity, took out this area, created the market shift or a break of structure, whatever you also call it, then continuing the bullish trend. As you can see, now we're in a bullish trend in the 15-minute time frame now, lower time frame now. So that's eventually price will continue bullish in the higher time frame also. Yeah. So this is at the 2 point of interest and expecting price to come to respect next week to look for my entry model on it. So that's just the bias for, but you know how what's going on right now in the whole world, so you have to be very, very careful while trading the first market. So let's go to our next pair, which will be GBP JPY. GBP I cannot really explain what the fuck this was. Well, I was able to take what I was not going to. I wanted to like hold a buy which I was in. Let me quickly show you that buy. So this buy, I took this buy right here and it hit full TP very fast. So I was like, I knew I wanted to target higher, but like I just got to short my grid and stuff. So I can't really explain. I don't know if it's because of is it actually going to be a very it's a fundamental something, not a technical something. That will say price came all the way, but even though this what are these when price does not trend, it leaves what imbalances, which price must feel imbalances. So it's a possibility that I came back to only feel imbalance and not change character into sell side. So I want to see what happened on Monday more, but I feel like go to respect this zone and eventually come and take out this high right here. Without I'm anticipating and analyzing. But for our big boy good, I can see price gold is very bullish and very certain, but you can see that he used all this trend line liquidity as he used this trend line as the trend line liquidity. So that's why it took out, and I'm pretty much confident to activate the buyer at this point of interest, and we can look for longs around this area. So this is a short video. I'm not trying to exaggerate or try and make any video long. So like, yeah, if it was valuable to you, maybe you're confused on your buyers and you trade my pairs, let me know what I can make it better, and do not forget to like, share, and subscribe. W's.